In this guide, we'll explore effective methods to organize iPhone photos on computer, enabling users to curate and maintain their digital memories effortlessly. Part 1. How to organize iPhone photos on computer with iTunes. Connect to your iPhone. Select your device. Navigate to the Photos tab. Choose Photo Syncing options. Create albums. Organize photos within albums. Sync albums to your iPhone. Part 2. How to manage iPhone photos on computer with iCloud. Enable iCloud photos on iPhone. Go to Settings, your name iCloud Photos. Toggle on iCloud Photos to upload photos. Enable iCloud Photos on computer. Visit iCloud.com. Sign in. Click Photos to access your iCloud library. View and manage photos. Organize, delete, edit photos in iCloud library. Download photos. Select Photos. Click Download icon to save to computer. Upload photos. Click Upload icon. Select photos to upload to iCloud. Part 3. How to organize iPhone photos on computer via a USB cable. Connect iPhone via USB. Unlock if locked. Trust computer if prompted. Open File Explorer Windows or Finder Mac. Select iPhone. Go to DSIM folder. Organize photos. Create, move, rename, delete, safely eject iPhone. Part 4. How to manage iPhone photos on computer using Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a highly recommended tool for efficiently managing photos on your iPhone. This versatile software provides various features tailored to streamline the process. Step 1. Connect iPhone. Launch software. Step 2. Software detects device, categorizes files. Navigate to Photos or Albums, Preview. Step 3. Manage iPhone photos. Transfer, check, click, Export to save. Delete. Mark, click Delete to remove.